Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the supplies and my process of making die cut stickers. So stickers are a main selling item slash product in my shop. I've been making stickers for about a couple years now, mainly with my Cricut. But I want to give you guys a breakdown of my process, my steps of how I make them from start to finish. So from design to outlining to printing, etc, etc. So if you guys are looking for a sticker tutorial, you have come to the right place. So I'm so excited to show this video to you guys, so let's get on with it. Alright, so before we even start making the stickers, we have to figure out what design we're going to do. So I am doing my European Robin illustration. So first you got to start off with an outline to make sure that the sticker cuts around a certain area and you have some bleed area as well. So here I am just simply outlining and then filling on my Procreate app, which is where I did the illustration. And then I'm exporting it as a PNG image. And then we're going to go to Cricut and do a new project. So here we upload and then select the image from our photo library. And then here it shows the cut path and everything with the black and white image so you can see exactly what the path looks like. And then we're going to select the image from uploaded and insert it onto our canvas. And then here I'm just resizing. I wanted my stickers to be around 2.5 by 3 inches, so I resized that, and then I just basically duplicate them until it fills up the entire canvas space. So Cricut actually has a limit of spacing. Even if your page is 8.5 by 11, you have to do a 9.25 by 6.75 canvas. So here I'm just duplicating all of the images until it fills out that specific space on the canvas. Once I am finished, I hit make it just to make sure everything lines up and the canvas is all correct. For sticker paper, I use the Online Labels Weatherproof Matte. Then here I am turning on my printer. It's the Canon IP8720. And then I'm going to load up my sticker paper up in the top rack and line everything up. And then I'm going to turn on my Cricut machine and make sure everything's all ready to go, open her up. And then I also have to get out my cutting mat, which has a lot of ink stains from my printer. Here I've got the Cricut desktop application pulled up, and I've already selected the project and am sending it to print. So I have to use my computer for this because it's what connects to my printer and my Cricut. So I need to make sure that my settings are changed to making sure the preferences are high for a good quality print. So here it's printing out all of the images. I made about 3 copies. After I've got the stickers all printed out, I need to put them on my cutting mat and then load them into the Cricut. So here I make sure everything's lined up and then hit load on the Cricut and then set it to a higher setting. I usually have it on light cardstock because I do like them to cut through more than a typical piece of paper, and then make sure to hit go and let it do its thing. So this is sped up obviously because the Cricut does take more time to actually read the sensor marks and everything, make sure everything lines up, etc, etc. Once the Cricut is all finished cutting up your stickers, I hit unload and then I take off the outer bits and remove each of the stickers individually. I usually bend my mat because you don't want to bend the actual sticker paper, so I always bend my mat around, being careful not to like snap it, which I've done before. And here are all the little die cut stickers that I made. So then you peel off the backing and there you go. You got your little sticker. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you are so excited to make your own stickers. I really hope you loved seeing my process of how I do it, and hopefully it simplifies it a lot more so it doesn't look complicated. I love making stickers, so I hope that you'll start making them as well. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I will also be linking all of my supplies, my equipment, etc., in the description box so that you can check it out for yourself. They're easy to click on and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more content. I will see you guys next week.